Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your messages from Divine Masculine to the Divine Feminine, DM to the DF, who are in a twin flame journey or and not in contact with each other. So in this video I'm going to tell you what are your Divine Masculine thinking about you. Okay, what does your Divine Masculine thinking about you? I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the collective Divine Masculine messages and the energies, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. In this video I'm also going to tell you what are the doubts of a Divine Masculine, what does universe wants to say to you Divine Feminine, what are the blockages in your twin flame journey, what are the tarot messages for your twin flame message journey, what is the thing you need to surrender, what is your life purpose, what is your soul journey. Okay, many more things. Okay, so now let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages from the Divine Masculine to the Divine Feminine, DM to the DF, okay, who are not in contact with each other. So these four cards flip out when I was talking to you, and the message was that it's not over. I'm not going to take these four cards because I was talking to you and I was shuffling it, but these four cards come out, so I'm going to show you what are the messages, then I'm going to take these cards back. So the message was that it's not over, we will be together again. Okay, Divine Feminine, that's the message I'm getting here from the Divine Masculine. It's not over and we will be back together again. You make me complete. You can read my minds. So this was your four message which I just got. Flip out 0220 was a recording reading time which flip out while talking to you. So now let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages from the Divine Masculine to the Divine Feminine. Help me out to deliver the messages which I need to deliver to the Divine Feminine. What are the messages? Please give me the messages. What does the Divine Masculine wants to say to the Divine Feminine? What does Divine Masculine wants to say? Okay, so you are my sun and strength. Okay, that's what Divine Masculine wants to say. No one compares to you, Divine Feminines. Okay, let me see more. What are the Divine Masculine wants to say? Wow. What does Divine Masculine wants to say? And you know what? While doing the shuffling, I'm unable to take the breath. Okay, it's like I am my heart is pumping out. My heartbeats are like pump pump, beep 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 beep. Okay, so it's like they are feeling very much, love for you. I can say that they are feeling very much nervous. They are very nervous right now. They want to talk to you. Okay, so something is still missing for me and I'm trying to figure out what it is. Okay, so something is missing to me and they're still finding out what it is. You respect my family. I always get this message from the Divine Masculine. We will be together again. See, this is the repeated message. We will be together again. Any other message from the Divine Masculine? Okay, it wants to come out. Through it there are many cards, but I'm going to take it. Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having, you never give up on me and you know me better than anyone else. Okay, no one compares to you. So you inspire me to become the best version of myself, divine feminines. That's what they want to say. Okay, you are my home. You are my home. Okay, let me adjust my cards first. Okay, you can read my mind. See, this is the repeated message. You can read my minds. Okay, would you accept me? And why they saying it? I know I screw things up, and honestly I have no idea how to fix things. So would you accept me? They know that they have screwed things up and they don't know how to fix it. Okay, then they want to say, you love me. You love me. It's not over. See, the three messages are repeated again. Okay, it's not over. We will be together again. Okay, this was you. You can read my mind. Okay, this was the three message which I got in the first while I was talking to you. Okay, you make me laugh continuously and you make me feel alive. Okay, so these are the messages from this deck, from your divine masculine to the divine feminine. Now let's see more messages. Okay, let's see what are the messages from the divine masculine. There is no one else who has touched my soul. Okay, so there is no one else, divine feminines, who has touched their soul. No one compares to you. Would you let me in if I approach you? Would you accept me? That's the message I'm getting here. Let's see what are the message. What are the message from the divine masculine? Please give me the messages. What does divine masculine wants to say? Okay, too many things. They want to say too many things. Today the messages are flipping out like anything. Okay, okay, so you give me hope and I need more time. That's what they want to say. That's what they want to say, that you give me hope, you inspire me to become the best version of myself. Okay, you give me hope, you inspire me to become the best version of myself. Okay, but they need more time here, divine feminines. I need more time. That's what they want to say to you. Something is still missing for me and I'm trying to figure out what it is. I need more time. That's why they say, because there is something which is missing into them. Okay, so they need more time. That's why they need more time here. I am more sensitive than you think. I am more sensitive than you think. Then there is, thank you for loving me unconditionally. They know that you love them unconditionally. Okay, I feel so much joy with you. It's like I am a kid again. Thank you for being patient with me. Then I am sorry. I can't forgive myself for how things went down. I know I screw things up and honestly I have no idea how to fix things. They know that they have treated you wrong. They are very sorry and they can't forgive themselves for how things went down. I can't forgive myself for how I screw things up and they don't know how to fix it. They don't have any idea about it. But they know that they have screwed things up. They screw things up basically. Okay. Then there is, I am healing my inner child. So they're doing the inner child healing. Okay, they're working on themselves basically. I see signs that remind me all of you all the time. So they getting the signs 1010 1010 was the recording reading time. Okay, they getting the signs and the synchronicities from the universe, from the angels, from the divine, and all signs remind of you, divine feminines. Okay, I see signs that remind me of you all the time. Please don't be scared, I'm not going anywhere. So they want to tell you that don't be scared, divine feminines, they are not going anywhere. Okay, so this was the message. Now let's see more message from the divine masculine. What does divine masculine wants to say? What does divine masculine wants to say? What does divine masculine wants to say? I told you there are a lot of messages today. See, wow. Wow. Why I'm saying wow? Because bottom of the deck I'm having, I see signs about you by music, dreams, and synchronicities. Can you see? This is my handmade deck, and I hope it will be visible for you. I hope so. Okay, so they want to tell you that they see signs, okay, about you by music, by dreams, okay, by synchronicities here. I am making a decision towards our union, and this is a double message here. Same message. I am making a decision towards our union. Our path will be crossed again. I want you to be happy. 1 minute. Okay. I am afraid of commitment. You are my truth. Dance with me. They want to dance with you. I find it hard to show emotions. So they find it hard to show emotions here, divine mass feminines. Let me see what is the message. When I run from you, when I run from myself. I run from myself, not from you. Okay, when I run from myself, not from you. So they run from themselves basically, not from you, divine feminines. They want to tell you that I'm moving towards you. Okay, divine feminines, I'm moving towards you. I secretly watch you through social media apps, friends, and relatives. So they are keeping tabs on you, divine feminines. If you think that they are not keeping tabs on you, you are wrong. They're secretly watching you through social media apps, through your common friends, through your relatives, but they're keeping an eye here. Any other message from divine masculine? Wow. I hear you telepathically. So they are connected with you telepathically. Okay. And they can hear you, divine feminines. Then there is, I'm about to end a tough cycle, karmic cycle completion. So they're going to end some kind of karmic cycle here. They're ending it. They're putting an end. That's what they're wanting to say. Okay. I'm making a decision. I'm moving towards you, towards our union. I'm going to make a decision. That's beautiful messages. What are the messages? Please give me the message. Any other message? They want to say a lot of things, divine feminines. They are very excited. They're very nervous at the same time. Okay, they want to say a lot of things. Okay. So I'm going to take these cards here. So third eye activated or blocked in Indicular apply anyone. So divine masculines, many divine masculines, their third eye is activated now. and their third eye is activated. Because why I'm saying that, because they are getting the signs and synchronicities, they're doing the inner work, so many of them, the third eye is activated here. Okay, then there is, let me see all the signs. Okay, same message. You are my sun and strength, you are my sunlight. Okay, you are my sunlight, divine feminines. Then there is, you are on my mind. Okay, you are on my mind. I'm facing my inner fears. I hide who I am because I'm afraid of getting hurt. So they hide. That's why I had to walk away. 1555 is the recording reading time. Their root chakra, their throat chakra is getting activated, and for some of them, their throat chakra is getting blocked. Literally, while saying this, I can't speak. See, I can't speak. I just got stopped. Okay, I was unable to make a sentence. I can't speak. So some of your divine masculines, they are having blocked throat chakra here. Okay, blocked throat chakra. Yeah, exactly. Blocked throat. Well, they're having blocked throat chakra. Okay, they're having a blockage here. So they have to do the healing and opening up of the throat chakra. And there is root chakra, which has to be activated, or there is blocked. Some of you can be dealing with the fire element, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or this can be your sign. Okay, or this is your divine masculine sign, but someone is here who is having a fire sign here. So this was the messages from your divine masculine. Now let's see what are the doubts divine masculine are having here. Okay, what are the messages? And one more thing I want to let you know, I want to ask you all, actually, let me know in the comment section if should I have to make 2 videos, because this video, when I do it, there are a lot of messages for you, so it goes around one hour. Yeah, it goes around 1 hour. So should you like me, should I make 2 videos 30 minutes, or should I continue doing what I am doing it? Let me know in the comment section, what should I do? What would you like? What's your choice preference? Okay, what are the doubts of divine masculine for this reading? Please give me, what are the divine masculine doubts for this reading? What are the doubts? What are the doubts? What are the doubts? Because there are too many messages, so it took time for me to give you, and I want every single message to be delivered to all of you, whoever is watching this video. Okay, so let me know in the comment section, what should I do? Should I make 2 separate videos? Okay, so let me know and I'll decide accordingly. So let me know. Okay, what are the doubts of divine masculine? What are the doubts? Any other doubts? Any other doubts? Any other doubts? Okay, so I don't know if I'm a good I don't know if I am a good enough for you. I'm not sure I'm ready to grow up. Okay, that's what they want to tell you. They don't know that they are good enough for you. Okay, my mood fluctuates and my mind changes frequently. I don't want to hurt you, divine feminines. These are the doubts, okay, of the divine masculine. So apply according to your situation. If it is not applying, that you can skip it out. Okay, divine feminines, that's what they're thinking. I still have abandonment wounds from my childhood. Okay, would my darkness push you away? Then do you really love me or just trying to fill a void? Would you take my independence away from me? It feels too complicated based on our past. Then they want to say, I have said bad things about you to others and now I don't know how to make it right. Okay. I am afraid I have a sex addiction and need multiple women to please me. So some of you are having, some of the divine masculines are having sex addiction and they need multiple partners to please them. So these are the doubts they are having inside them. So now let's see what are the emotions they are going through. Thank you. They are feeling shy. Okay. What are the emotions divine masculine right now are? What are the divine masculine emotions they are currently going on? Please tell me, help me out to deliver. What emotions divine masculine are right now? Wow, they are feeling lonely, but they are working on themselves. They are inspired. So maybe they are writing a book or writing the music. They're listening the music here and they are regretful here. That's right, they're feeling regret. Okay. They are afraid here. They're feeling regretful and they're afraid here. Okay, divine feminines. Then they are inspired. So maybe they're working on their creative part. They are writing here. They love music. So they're listening the music or they're writing the song. That can be a possibility here. They're feeling compassionate, caring. They're feeling the care about you. And they're feeling the lonely. Can you see? Maybe they are around a lot of people here, but they are feeling lonely here. Isolated, lonely. So these are the emotions they are going through right now. So let's see what are the messages from the twin universe. Okay, what are the messages universe wants to say? What does universe wants to tell you, divine feminines? Okay, messages from the universe to divine feminine. What are the messages from the universe? Please universe, give me the messages. Some of you are going to travel. Okay, if you are already traveling, then that's great. Happy journey. If you are not traveling, you have to travel to new place that boosts your creativity and imagination. Take a travel trip. Okay, let's see messages from the universe. What are the messages? Please give me the messages for the divine feminine. What does universe wants to say? Please give me the messages for the divine feminine. So go out and meet new people. Divine feminine, you have to go out and meet new people. Okay, be more self-aware. Be more self-aware. Write your thoughts and innermost desires in a journal. You have to write down these things into a journal. Define what activates your passion and motivates you. Okay. Remember the power and strength you have as a divine being. Obtain more spiritual wisdom. So these are the messages from the universe. Now let's see what does divine, one more message. Okay, what does divine feminine you should do? Okay, what does divine feminine should do? Don't take his actions personally. Okay, what should you do? Let's see, what should you do, divine feminines? What should divine feminine do? What should divine feminine do right now? Too many messages. No. What does divine feminine should do? Don't believe your fears. Okay, divine feminines. Don't believe your fears. Take a Reiki class or get a Reiki healing. Okay. do yoga, restorative yoga, and write affirmations. So complete your healing, do yoga, write affirmations, and believe in new beginnings. That's beautiful. That's what you should do, divine feminines. Believe in new beginnings. Okay, let me see more message. What should divine feminine do? What should... Okay, you have to wait. They will contact you soon. Okay, divine feminines, they will contact you soon. Trust your intuition. Keep it to yourself. Don't believe everything you hear. Okay, so these are the things you should do, and these are the beautiful things. Okay, believe in new beginnings. That's beautiful message. Now let's see what are the messages from the twin flame tarot deck. Okay, let's see what are the messages for this reading. Please give me the messages. What are the messages for this reading? What are the messages? Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages? What are the messages for this reading? What are the messages? Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having I love you. Your counterpart is trying to reach you out, and this is your twin flame. This is your mirror soul. Okay, divine masculine or the divine feminine, whoever is watching this video, they are trying to reach you out. Okay, I love you. Your divine counterpart is trying to reach you. This is your mirror soul. Okay, so there is regrets. Time to release all regrets. Okay, whether you are having regret or your divine masculine is having regrets, but it's time to release all regrets. Okay, you're going through with some transformation period. Transformation is always beautiful. You're becoming more beautiful than before. Okay, transformation is taking place for you, divine feminines and the divine masculine, whoever is watching this video. There is spirituality, balance, and meditate yourself, because you are going through a transformation here. So you have to balance and meditate your own self. There is denial. Are you in denial of something? So you have to accept something, because here I'm having devil and denial. So avoid temptation and addiction. So are you avoiding something? Are you in denial of something? There is something which is not good for you, which is the toxicity. Okay, you have to accept that. Then there is a message. We are bringing information to benefit you. Can you see there is an angel wings here? So angels are trying to communicate with you. There is an information which will benefit you. So try to listen that information. Okay, so beautiful message here. Thank you for giving the message. Let me see more message. I'm just getting more message. Okay, any other message for this reading? Inner child. Yes, and that's what your divine masculine was telling you, that they are doing the healing of their inner child. Okay, you have to heal your inner child, unresolved wounds and issues, and they are doing the healing already. And if you think that divine feminines, you are also require some healing on inner child wounds, they are inner child wounds, then you have to heal your inner child wounds. Okay, so that's why I was thinking that there is some message which is there. Okay, thank you for giving the message. 1 minute. Sorry for this, but I have to adjust myself. Okay, so now let's add one message from Lovers Oracle. What is the message you want me to deliver for this reading? Okay, what is the message you want me to deliver for this reading? What is the message you want me to deliver? What is the message you want me to deliver? One more message. Okay, what is the message? Too many message. I want only one message. Please give me one more message. One more for this reading. Please give me one more message. Too many message. Please give me one more message. And if you listen any voice at the background, so I'm sorry for that. Too many message. No, give me one message. Please give me one. Please give me one message. Too many messages. Okay. See, transformation here again. You are going through with some transformation here, Divine Feminines. You and your 1 minute. I told you, you and your divine counterpart, you both are going through with transformation, okay? And transformation is always beautiful. I told you here. Okay, your relationship with one another is about to deepen. Love conquers and transformed all things. So transformation is taking place for you definitely here in the month of July. These readings are timeless, okay, but still, okay. Then there is emotions are a natural and necessary part of life, but they can also distort your perception and clouds your vision. In order to see things clearly, you must let go of resentment. That's beautiful. Can you see the picture? How beautiful it is. Okay, then there is deep in the heart, you already know the answer to what feels right for you. That's beautiful here. So that was the message which I was getting for you, and that's beautiful message. Now let's see what are the next action. First, wait. What are the blockages? What are the blockages in your... See, abandonment issues are there. That's why they're saying that they are having abandonment issues here. Okay, let's see what are the issues here, and whatever blockage I'm getting, I am telling you here, you can apply according to your situation. Rest you can leave it out. If it is not applying, then you can leave it out. Okay, what are the blockages for this reading? Please give me what are the blockages. What are the blockages for this reading? What are the blockages for this reading? Okay, these are too many, so I'm not going to take it. These are approximate 7, 8. Okay, so yes. So what are the blockages I'm getting here is... There is sadness here. There is lazy sadness. So these can be the blockage in your twin flame journey. There is abandonment issue. There is materialistic, indecisive, heal family roots, that is karma. So that is ancestral karmas. You need to heal that. Okay, heal family roots. So these are the blockages here. Now let's see what are the next step your divine masculine wants to take towards you. 1 minute. Yes. What is the next step divine masculine wants to take towards divine feminine? Please tell me, what does divine masculine wants to take, the next step of divine masculine towards the divine feminine? What is the next step? What is the next step? What is the next step? What does divine masculine's next step is there? Wow. What is the next step of divine masculine? Ace of Cups, Ace of Water. They want to offer you a cup which is full of emotion. Hierophant. What is the next step? This I got this message of 10 of Wands while shuffling also. So they are releasing all the burdens they're carrying on their shoulders. 10 of Fire, they're completing the cycle, and they see you as someone who is very Queen of Fire, Queen of Wands. They want to get married with you. What is the next step? Next step, they are keeping in tabs on you. That's what they tell you also. They told you Page of Swords. They're keeping an eye on you. They're keeping an eye. What my divine feminines are doing is Six of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, temptation is coming again and again here. There is something which is not, which is a devil energy here. There is something which is temptation, which is just not good. Avoid temptations and addictions. Okay, divine feminines, there is something which is toxic, which is devil here in your situation. I'm going to clarify this, why there is devil. But you are completing a cycle with your divine counterpart here. I'm having 10 of Swords and the 10 of Wands, both are here. Okay, maybe because of the confusion, bottom of the deck I'm having Moon. So that's the because of the confusion you are creating this energy. Okay, they want to give you commitment. Ace of Pentacles, 10 of Cups, beautiful. This is beautiful. Ace of Pentacles and 10 of Cups and Ace of Cups. Can you see? They want to give you commitment. They want to create happy family, happy life with you. Stable, committed offer. And they want to offer you a cup which is full of emotion fulfillment. They want to give you that. They want to give you commitment here. Hierophant, they want to get you married with marriage proposal. Now let me see why there is temptation here. Clarify me temptation. This is from Emperor side. See, I just cut it out and there is Emperor here. Let me see. Why there is temptation here? Clarify me temptation. You can be dealing with water sign, earth sign, fire sign and air sign. All signs are here basically. Okay, let me see why there is temptation here. Clarify me temptation. Messenger of air, messenger of water. Clarify me temptation. Why there is temptation here? Seven of Wands. Why there is temptation here? Why there is temptation? Emperor. Okay, so this is from your divine masculine side, I think so, because here I'm having Emperor. Emperor can be you also, divine feminines. You know better your situation, but someone is holding back here. Bottom of the deck I'm having Four of Pentacles. So someone is not ready to open up. Okay, here the guards are up here, and because of that they're spending sleepless nights. Can you see? Seven of Wands and Nine of Swords. So they cannot sleep at night. They're spending sleepless nights here. Okay, maybe messenger of air and messenger of water. This is Page of Swords and Page of Cup. One wants to give you offer and one is keeping tabs on you. So someone is not ready to open up basically here. So you should be open up here, divine feminines. If you are not opening up, you have to open up, because this is your divine counterpart. You have to open up. So that's what I'm having here. Let me add one message from the Power of Surrender cards. One message for this reading. What is the message? Surrender stubbornness. If you are tensing up or taking a rigid stance about something, gently observe yourself and become more yielding. This will help you communicate more lovingly with others and yourself. So you have to surrender your stubbornness. Okay, Divine Feminines? That's what you have to surrender. What is the message from Power of Love for this reading? Please give me one message. Please give me one message. Compassion. You can demonstrate the language of heart by activating, sharing, and living love. So have compassion, Divine Feminines or the Divine Masculine, whoever is watching this video. Let's see what is the soul lesson for this reading. What is the soul lesson for this reading? One soul lesson for this reading. What is the soul lesson? Relationships. I am attracted to those people who serve my highest good. So that's the soul lesson you need to learn here. Okay, you attracted to those only who serve your highest good. So that's beautiful. Let me add, thank you for giving the message. Let me add one message from Wisdom of the Oracle. What is the message for this reading? Please give me a message for this reading. One message for this reading. Serendipity, that's beautiful. Luck is on your side. This is clove leaf. Good luck is on your side. Luck is on your side. Good fortune. Wheel of fortune. Good luck is on your side. Okay. So serendipity is the message here. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message here. From True Love. One message for this reading. Maturity. It comes to maturity and connection is coming for you. So you are becoming more mature than before here, Divine Feminines. Many of you are going to experience a connection with your Divine Masculine or the Divine Feminine, whoever is watching this video. You're going to meet them and you will behave like a mature person, spiritually mature person, because now you're becoming more mature than before. Let me add one message from Heart Tarot. What is the message? They're asking me to take 5 cards. I do not know why. 5 message. Okay, let's take 5 message from this. 5 message. 5 message for this reading. Okay, 5 message. 5 message for this. 3 more. 2 more. Wow. 1 more. Bottom of the deck, I'm having heal. Heal your throat chakra here. I told you some of you are requiring to heal their throat chakra. See, again my throat chakra is blocked when I'm talking about this. So you need to open up. Okay, I told you 4 of Pentacle energy is here. So you need to open up here. And there is daydreams and decisions. So you have to make some kind of decisions, but you need to open up first here. Okay. There is nurture yourself, Divine Feminines or the Divine Masculine, whoever is watching this video. You have to nurture yourself. This is the Empress kind of energy here. Okay, this is new vitality. Can you see how colorful this is? Maybe these days you can see a lot of rainbows. Okay, new vitality. And there is manifestation. You can create anything, whatever you want to, because your third eye chakra is getting activated here. So this is beautiful message which I can say. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from the angel guides for this reading. What is the message for this reading? One message. There is a divine timing. Bottom of the deck, I'm having compassion. Okay, have compassion. Again, compassion messages here. Okay, compassion is an important message for you for this reading. Have compassion. There is divine timing which is there in your journey. Okay, so things will happen according to the divine timing. Things, leave the things according to the divine. Okay, let's see more message. Thank you, angel, for giving the message. Let's see what is the message from the angels and ancestors. One message for this reading. What is the message for this reading? What is the message for this reading? Give me one message. So I got 2 for you, and that says shapeshifter, transform and unveil your gifts, and there is shaman, trust in higher forces. Okay, so trust in higher forces, you have to keep trust. There is a divine timing. You have to unveil and know about your own, reveal your own gifts, transform your own gifts. Okay, work on your intuitive powers. Right now you are very intuitive here. Okay, you have beautiful powers inside of you. Reveal that. Okay, work on that. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from angel answers. There are big happy changes which are going to come, but let's see what is the message for this reading. No, give me one message. I love it when universe does that. Okay, give me one message, please. One message for this reading. What is the important one message? See, they will give me too many message. Give me one message, please. See, big happy changes. I told you, big happy changes. They are thank you. Thank you for this message. Thank you. Big happy changes are going to come in your life, whoever is watching this video. Let's see more message. One message from this deck. One message for this reading. Okay. So this says parents. You have imbibed qualities and patterns from your parents. Retain the good ones and discard the negative ones. So you have got some, qualities from your parents. So keep the good qualities and, discard the negative ones. So that's the message I'm getting here for you. That's beautiful. Thank you for giving the message. Now let me add one message from this. Give me one message for this reading. 2. No, please give me 1. Okay, thank you. Distant horizon says the ships are coming for you, divine masculine or the divine feminine, whoever is watching this video. The ships are coming for you. Can you see the good news? The big happy changes are coming for you here. That's beautiful. Now let's see what are the signs you may be dealing with or your sign. And then I'm going to close out this reading. What are the signs for this video? For this reading? What are the signs for this video? What are the signs? More. Okay. So, they can be fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius here. All fire signs are here. All air signs are here. Aquarius, Gemini and Libra. Then there is Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. All water sign are here. Only earth sign Capricorn is here. Okay, now let's see more sign from this. What are the signs for this? All signs are here. Taurus and Virgo are here too. So now I don't think so I have to do more. They're saying that all signs are here. Okay, all signs are here. That's it. So all signs are here. So that was your reading, and I hope I helped you out in some manner. You can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, sending you lots of love and healing light and beautiful energies of love. Healing and beautiful energies of love to everyone whoever is watching this video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.